Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Klarna payments using Shopify integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, log in to your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand side, navigate to the Settings option. Click on Payments within the Settings menu. Scroll down to the section labeled Third-Party Payment Providers. Here, locate the Klarna option. If you don't see Klarna, you may need to enable it through the Shopify App Store. To do this, open a new tab and visit the Shopify App Store. Search for Klarna in the search bar. Select the appropriate Klarna app from the search results. Click on the Add App button. Once the app is installed, return to the Shopify admin. Revisit the Payments section under Settings. You should now find Klarna listed as an option. Click on Manage next to the Klarna payment option. Follow the prompts to log in to your Klarna merchant account. If you don't have a Klarna account, you will need to create one. After logging in, grant the necessary permissions for Klarna to connect with Shopify. Once permissions are granted, Klarna will provide a confirmation message. Be sure to configure any additional settings specific to Klarna, such as payment options. Save your changes to finalize the setup. To test the integration, make a test transaction using Klarna at checkout. Verify that the payment is processed correctly. If everything works as expected, your Klarna payments are now successfully connected. If you encounter any issues, consult the Klarna support documentation for troubleshooting steps. This completes the detailed guide on connecting Klarna payments using Shopify integrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.